Good morning, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in a little less than 15 minutes. Going to watch ZM out of the opening gates. Zoom right there. You can see the ticker symbol. A lot of craziness so far, down just shy of $15 on the day. So let's see how it plays out. All right, the markets are now officially open. Oh, well, looks like ZM might be leaving me behind. But we'll see if I can get a bounce here. At this point, it would just be chasing. As much as I want to go short right here, that would be chasing. And even if it would work out, that is just simply not a good habit to be building. But very clearly, a lot of buyers right now here at 112, that round number. So I wouldn't be totally shocked to see a bounce, which would be good. Change this to the 1 minute. I am going to get short here at one. Well, never mind. That was bizarre. Huh. Had the 112 order in there, nothing filled, but let's go to W here. W, nice. Initial move here up, but again, you don't want to chase these. So as of right now, nothing's really playing ball in terms of, well, ZM, disappointing. Look at it go now. We'll still got to just wait for some sort of maybe bounce back to the upside. So, all right, well, we'll see what happens. All right, well, waiting to see what kind of candle here forms. Not the best of candles. 113. Yeah, if this wants to break down below 111, then I'd be interested in potentially shorting here. So this is ZM. Finally got the bounce. Also have an order in a short at 113.50, but I'm actually going to cancel that one out since its circumstances are a bit different right now. We'll see what this thing wants to do here. I'll keep an eye on it. All right, watching ZM still very closely. In fact, I'm going to go ahead. Try to get short there. Actually, this thing's just very strong right now. I'm going to wait for a potential sign of weakness first. Because, yeah, as you can see right here, very, very strong. All right, I do like the candle here that's forming. We'll see if it can roll over here. So it is rolling over. Let's see if it can get down through 114. It can. And out there for $497 on the scalp. Beautiful. All right, let's see what else I can find. Have an order at 119.99. I have reduced position size down to 100 shares. This is just a very streamlined way to control my risk. I don't want to give back. I mean, I'm okay giving back some of my gains. My point is I don't want to risk giving back all my gains. So I'll risk right around $100 here, or maybe 150 with slippage. And slippage is a very real thing on Zoom. We'll see also what kind of candle. No, not the type of candle I'm looking for, so never mind. Even if it does pull back, just not what I was looking to see here. Let's see. Low of that, 117. Okay, I'm going to get short there though. So still risking right around $100. Well, let's see if this thing wants to roll back over. Well, seeing how fast it stops, better get my stop loss in there. Well, let's see if it can break down through 117. But if it doesn't, and looking like I'm going to get stopped out, and I am out for $100 loss exactly. So gave back 100, and that's okay. Like I said, that was what I was willing to risk there. And this thing still might roll over, but it still might not. So welcome to the game of not having hindsight in your favor. But so that was a $100 losing trade. All right, I'm going to go for this again. This thing is just looking pretty top heavy. $117.56, bizarre area for a bunch of buyer stuff showing up, what they did. All right, well, they're out of the way, so it should move, and it is moving. Can we get the breakdown through 117? All right, well, I have 100 shares left, and I'm just going to call it good. So got the $100 loss plus put me back in the green up to 547 now. So let's see what else I can find. All right, I think this thing wants to get back below 117 now. So let's see it come down here to 117. Well, and at 117.10. $117.50 now being that stubborn area. Let's see if it wants to move back down. 117.50 is going to be that current very stubborn level that was just broken. So can it get down through 117? Come on, my friend. If 117 fails, should get pretty exciting. All right, just taking the loss there. This does not want to play ball, and I'm not going to risk it having it bounce up and then take away all my gains. So 348 now. All right, if it breaks 117, I'm going to get in. Oh, man, look at that. It broke, and if you watch, when I clicked, it didn't matter. It was just gone. Gone $1 in my favor. Had I been able to, and I even gave it a 10-cent wiggle room. So I didn't use a market order, but I still did a limit with trying to give myself 10 cents. It just moved way, way, way too fast. And in hindsight, yeah, I should have held in instead of taking the $200 loss, but hey, that is hindsight trading for you. All right, I think Boeing wants to get down here below 130. Excuse me, 134.50. There is the break. And a very shaky move, not anywhere close to the momentum that I wanted to see it. And yeah, you can see Boeing now here. Very happy that I got out just because, I mean, like I said, I was not seeing what I wanted to see. I am still potentially interested in it, depending again on what kind of candle. But yeah, that should have moved a lot quicker to the downside that it did. So that's why I'm very pleased to have gotten out where I did. 134.50 though, still an interesting level, but that'll all depend on the type of candle here that forms. So yeah, after that, I'm not interested. But the SPY has some interesting action going on, which makes me think there might be some weakness here coming to Boeing. You can see here the SPY 5-minute looking like it might want to roll over a little bit, but the overall trend is still up of the market, so it's not like it's pure bloodshed or anything like that out there. Yeah, and then here's the weakness to come to Boeing, but still there was never anything transparent, at least to me, to go short right at that time. But yeah, the overall market helped out, kind of showing that there might have been some weakness, which there was, but again, not in the sense of, oh wow, that's glaringly obvious. Well, I'm going to go ahead and wrap things up. We're slightly past 10:15 a.m., so 45 minutes in, and with commissions up right around $400. So it is what it is. Can't be right all the time. But the learning lesson here that I want to just kind of challenge you to is I was wrong 2 times. I had 2 losing trades. So my question to you is, if you have 2 losing trades in a day, how does your account look? Is it green? Is it way red? Just how does it look? I'm not saying it's got to look green, but if you're saying to yourself and you're being honest with yourself and saying, well, yeah, if I had 2 losing trades, that probably means like I wiped away all my gains, and then I probably wiped away all my gains from the previous couple of days, or I wiped away all my gains from, the past month. Like I said, I'm not judging. I'm just saying, what would your account look like? Because like I said, I was wrong. I took 2 losing trades. I was just flat out wrong. I made the wrong decision. Wrong. Get that through your head. It's okay to be wrong. But the principle here is you got to just realize that. Sorry, I'm gauging and wondering. Clay, you said you're done, and I am done. But it's okay to be wrong. And when you're wrong, as you saw here, you can still come out ahead. I mean, now, do I wish I was up $500, $600, $1,000? Of course I do. I mean, I'm not going to, lie about that, but hey, I'm still up, not even an hour of work. I mean, $400 for 45 minutes of quote unquote work. I'm very happy with that, but that all occurred with me being wrong twice along the way. And that's why risk management, risk control, all that stuff is so important. I get it. It's fun to talk about wins. Everybody loves to talk about wins. That's what social media focuses on, right? Look at me winning. And because I'm winning, I have this private jet behind me. Or because I'm winning, I'm holding this stack of cash. But that's all good for marketing. But at the core, how do you do when you're wrong? How does your account look when you're wrong? And again, in this case, if you were wrong twice, 2 times over the course of 45 minutes, how would your account look? And if you're saying, no, I'd be fine, then good, excellent. If you're being honest and you say, yeah, that would probably, usually when I'm wrong, I give away, I lose a whole lot. Well, that's okay. At least you have identified something that you should probably be more focused on. So hopefully you found this, helpful. Hopefully you found this educational in some aspects. But yeah, like I said, a little over 45 minutes in, up just slightly above $400. That would be my ballpark estimation with commissions and stuff figured in. So yeah, get out there and manage risk. And before I go, finally, if you enjoyed the video, if you want me to keep making these videos, then the easiest way to communicate that to me, hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and also check out the channel as a whole. Lots of other live trade videos, lots of other bits of content. So if you do like what you see, I hope you decide to become a subscriber of the channel and hit that subscribe button. But if nothing else, and you just enjoy these videos and would like for me to keep making them, then hit that like button. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only 1 losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.